out.
Let's nail this bastard.
Actual to 3-1, hold orbit.
Roger, action. Standing by.
Lifter 1, visual on target. 15 seconds out.
Roger 1. Notes down, boys. We're on. Center 1, take overwatch.
Check. Center on overwatch. Boom.
Hands! Show me your hands!
All clear.
2-4 and 2-6, holding here. Breach is set, stand clear. Good entry.
Where is our entry point?
Front right, clear. Left door's all you, Sergeant.
Three unknowns.
Roger 3. Sidewall, good breach, going rear. 6-3, at the rear door. First deck clear. Rog, coming to you from the other side. Sergeant, let's kill the power. Put these guys in the dark.
Killing power.
Second deck. On me. Hold here.
Yes, sir.
Take point.
Moving to second deck.
كيف كل شيء بزبالة بعدين بالفرامة
Got movement, door, left.
كيف كل شيء بزبالة بعدين بالفرامة هلا راح تموت هون
Second left.
اسمعني هلا وهلا خايفت النوم
عددهم كبير لازم نستسلم
نحن ننهزم
1 KIA, 1 unknown.
ما في حل
Copy. Moving to
ما
secure.
في حدا تاني يا حل تاني ما في حدا تاني
ما من رحيم
Moving interior.
Rog, same.
No idea. Negative on the wolf. Dry hole.
Copy that, Carl. Right, let's get the lights up and sort them out, lads.
Rise and shine.
All Bravo, rally on the first deck. Actual to 3-1.
Send traffic.
you on station for
Zip
data
drive,
collection.
just storage in the bags. Paperwork in the boxes.
Two more where this came from.
Bloody gold mine this is.
Let's go, get her done now.
On these block oil, enable it to fly.
We're not cutting bait, are we?
Negative. Don't want to talk. Listen. Hey, let him go.
Thank you.
معلش انتبهنا. وين الديب؟
برفة العادة تحت الأرض.
شكرا. Welcome down. G-house on me. All stations, Bravo's moving to the G-house for reclearance. Thomas, cover up car. So we got ourselves a gopher. All stations, tell us in building 2, making entry.
All right, down the hatch.
I'll take point.
Good hunting.
I'll be right behind you.
Echo 3-1 to Bravo 06. Tunnel collapse. What's your status?
We're cut off. There's only us now.
Just like old times.
Yes, but we're not alone. We're in the wolf's den now. Tripwire's here. Stay low.
Disarmed.
Keep the grenade. Go slow. They hide everywhere. Voices.
Was that you?
No, but they know we're here. We need to get past this trap.
Diffused.
Another tripwire. Careful. Go, Alex. I will cover. Tripwire. Careful. Go, Alex. I will cover.
Clear.
Let's keep moving. I'm coming to you. I see one. Left alcove.
Moving left.
Watch the roof. There's a path on my side.
Left side's clear. Going right. Right side, clear.
We're clear. smell fuel. Are you hurt?
Right side, clear.
We're clear. I smell fuel. Fuel trap, get back! Are you hurt?
I'm good.
We need to get past this.
Looks like we can crawl through.
Alex, why did you bring her here?
I came here by choice.
Leave now! And help protect you here.
Come with us, Hadir.
No, it's too late for that now.
Show your face and die.
Sarah, please. These people are willing to help us.
You are a liar and a traitor.
You're wrong. You will see.
Hadir. Hadir!
في حدا هنيك. روح نبه التانيين. جهزوا حالكم. يلا.
They're in there.
شيء. Bring it on!
I'm moving up! There's a drop here. Careful.
I'm good.
I'm coming down to you!
No! Stay after Hadir. I'll find a way up.
You watch your back down there!
One to 06, over. All stations, this is Echo 3-1, transmitting in the blind. Target is still in the tunnels, currently tracking.
هذا هو كل البنزين. هذا هو كل البنزين.
طيب خلينا نروح. الدخان عم بيزيد.
They believe we are for sale. This is not true. Of course, the superpower is for sale. We are merely buyers. We take the weapons and we keep them. But we own them. They do not own them.
need a way up. I can't stay down here. Can't stay here.
I've got you!
Thanks, cousin.
This way.
Your handiwork?
You have come far,
Affirmative.
but what you seek is already gone.
That's the wolf. Dead ahead.
You have only me, and I am just a lowly freedom fighter.
Timer, he has a vest.
There is no escape. This is the end. Your brother needed help. He has big plans.
He has a remote.
Killing.
Still counting. We can disarm it, Alex. Help me.
20 seconds.
Cut the wire exactly when I say. Not before.
Ready.
Green wire. In 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Cut.
$20 seconds.
Cut the wire exactly when I say. Not before.
Ready.
Green wire. In 3, 2, 1. Cut.
Green. Next.
Yellow. In 2, 1. Cut it.
Yellow. Done.
Last one is red.
There are 2 reds.
The top one. In 2, 1. Now.
Shit! $20 seconds.
Cut the wire exactly when I say. Not before.
Ready.
Green wire. In 3, 2, 1. Cut.
Green. Next.
Yellow. In 2, 1. Cut it.
Yellow. Done.
Last one is red.
There are 2 reds.
The top one. In 2, 1. Now.
Cut!
Disarmed. Good job.
Well, thanks to you. Good work. How'd you learn that?
Years of experience.
Too many. All stations, this is Echo 3-1 in the blind. Jackpot. Primary target is KIA.
It wasn't me. Glad it was you.
Bet we couldn't kill him twice.
Thanks, mate.
Congratulations on a job well done. As much as we can all hear the ice in the glass, I'm afraid our toast has to wait. Hadir and his new friends are on the move.
What are they?
One step at a time.
No one said they're friends.
The General would tend to disagree.
Norris, I asked you to let me
Tell
handle-
him, Laswell. Or I will.
Command has officially redesignated Farah's forces.
You want to translate that from bullshit to English?
It means they're on the list.
What list?
Foreign terror organization list. I've ordered my Marines to treat Farah's army as hostiles.
What? They're our allies.
Yeah, not anymore.
Will you keep your Muppets on a short string, Colonel?
Or what?
Oh,
fucking earn you from it.
Kate, these people need our support.
There's nothing else we can do.
Well, there's plenty we can do.
I'm tired of being told who my friends are.
Alex, don't.
I'm going back to Urzikstan, staying with Faro's army.
What you're doing is illegal.
I'm pretty sure everything we do is illegal.
Only the good stuff. You got friends nearby?
You too.
Thank you. For everything.
Well, it's not over yet. Trust me.
I always have.
Farah, sister, wake up.